welcome all of you to my SSB channel, because today I am going to talk about a very important thing, that is about the email that has been sent by the president of the AFSB Mysore board. So as you can see over there, this is the email that has been sent by the president of the AFSB Mysore board to each and every candidate that is having their FCAT or NDA or any other exam center at that particular AFSB board. So without taking much time, let's go through that email. So yeah, it has been made compulsorily that each and every candidate that is reporting to the AFSB Mysore board has to produce the RT-PCR certificate. And as you can see over there, I will read it for you if you want, because this is a very mandatory requirement. Otherwise you will be rerouted to your home without any reimbursement. So if you are thinking that you will anyhow not produce it, then of course my friend, I must aware you that this will be a very wrong decision. Otherwise all the efforts, all the hard work that you have put shall go in vain. So yeah, for all of you, let's read it once. There were certain queries regarding COVID RT-PCR test. It is understood that same has not been mentioned in call letter. It has not been mentioned because of the fact that state government regulations are dynamic in nature. Hence, several instructions were sent through email. COVID negative certificate after having undergone RT-PCR test is a mandatory requirement. We are delegated by the state authorities to undertake the check of COVID-free certificate. In case of non-possession of the same, it would be imperative on our part to route you back, as we would be answerable to state authorities. Please understand the situation, need and meet the requirement. So with all that said, thank you and have a very wonderful day.